Hello Eagles, it's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I know you're doing great. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the Eagle members. We are having such a good time. Keep sharing the message so other Eagles can find us, and if they are looking for community, well, we are here. I have a topic for you today, and it's about having confidence in the gift that is in you. I've observed over the last few weeks, as many of us look for ideas and are having the desire to have a business, we tend to follow the money and want to build a business where we think the money is. The truth is, there is money everywhere. All ideas will produce an income of some sort when done right. But sticking to that idea and developing it to fruition to the point that you're paid for it, it takes more than the idea that it makes money. It will take the heart that you're actually interested in developing the idea, that you stick there when you're interrupted, when trouble comes, when failure comes, you can always stick there. So let's look at the gift. There is a gift in you. You are special. You are unique. Your experiences, the way you're built, everything about you is good and perfect. There's this story my mentor always used, Dr. Miles Monroe. There's no manufacturer that will release a product without a purpose. So if God is the manufacturer, He manufactured us with a purpose. And if your purpose is to serve people with a certain gift, the market is naturally already there on the other side waiting to be served with your gift. The requirement from you is you have to keep your originality. You can't be a copycat. Be who you were with all your imperfections. It's almost perfection in an imperfect way, if that even makes any sense. But what I'm saying is, have confidence in that gift that it was set in you. It is perfect. It's enough. It's creative. It's unique. You know, in marketing, we always say, have a unique selling point. Well, if you be yourself, your original self, minus all the programming and the copying, guess what? You have your unique selling position right there. You know, you don't have to be like anyone else. I always use myself as an example. When I started out on my blog, writing doesn't come easy to me. Videos and talking is an easier way of communication. So I tried everything to hire people to write for me articles, to oh my God, I used ghostwriters. I spent so much money until one day the Holy Spirit in me was like, God, what are you doing? Just be yourself, write the way you write and talk the way you talk. Just be you and everything will be fine. And as soon as I did that, guess what? Everything started working out. And actually, the biggest job for you is to be yourself. Are you able to be yourself, serve the people just in your originality without copying? Yes, you can get a few ideas here and there, but keep the originality of who you were. For example, these videos, most of my videos, if you notice, they are not edited. Why? Because I record whenever I get inspired. And I hope and pray when I share, you get something and remain encouraged. So the gift in you is good and perfect. Let's take another example of Michael Jackson. Remember the musician, very famous, right? The gift in him was so good and perfect, despite all the packaging. He had some maybe plenty of issues, but that doesn't take away from your gift. So what I'm saying to you, yes, your packaging may need some work, it may be imperfect, but the gift is good and perfect, and it will make room for you, and that gift will serve you. You'll be able to earn from it. Your hands are blessed, you have the mind of Christ, so use it and go with confidence, because we are spending so much time out there looking for businesses to start, where to start, when you're seated on a perfect gift that is in you. So I'm encouraging you today, if you have a desire to start a business, start with that thing in you. And how do you know that the gift you have is the one? That thing you're willing to do for free, that's the one. That thing everybody tells you, oh my God, you're so good at that, that's the one. That thing that when you do it, you get energized and empowered. For me, it's teaching. So I can share at any time, day or night, and I can teach anything to anybody. So find that thing, and your role is to package it well enough so you can make a living from it, if that's your desire. Well, as usual, this is Mother Ego. We do have a WhatsApp group. You can join us. We do have a Facebook group. That's for paid members who are willing to go deeper in subjects like this. Well, join us at lifethenfinance.com. This is Mother Ego. Talk to you soon. Bye.